So today we're doing fun with compound exercises. So what a compound exercise is, you combine more than one. So instead of like an isolated bicep curl, we're going to combine that with a squat. So our first exercise is a squat curl. So as you get into your squat position, you get it down low, curl them up, stand back up. So I'm suggesting maybe do 4 sets of these exercises, 10 reps. So that's your first one. The second one will be a plank row. Into your plank position, count out 10 reps. So you're using your back muscles, your core. Get through 10 of those. Then lastly, we'll go back to our squat position. Dumbbells on your shoulders, squat, and as you stand up, you're pushing overhead. So it's a squat press. And again, 10 of those. So I figure you do 4 sets of 10. Get used to those exercises. You'll feel it. Let me know what you think about the compound exercise program, and have a great day.